Hello there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. One lovely afternoon. I'm here in Taytay, Rizal. And as you can see, I'm carrying again my empty boxes to bring there at the junk shop. This could be my day 7 of selling it and turn it into money. You know what guys and gals, I'm very much happy because I can move easily now in my house. There's no more streets, no more maze. I still have 2 more bundles of empty boxes. The last one I just sorted out late this afternoon. Then there's a little more to sort out just to add for the last one. So here we are. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So there it is. People are busy here in junk shop. So guys and gals, if you have scraps, junkies, sell it. And then you will never know, those little amount, it will turn into hundreds, thousands, millions, right? So it's just a little of sacrifice. Ilang kilo? Ilan? Siyam. So 9 kilos guys and gals. 10, 20, 30, 45. Bye for now guys and gals. Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you Lord for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my first viewers who never get hurt of my masterpieces. Thank you so much each every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, and to all my Facebook viewers as well. To my mother in Golf, to Christine, my sister. And Helen Carreta, also Rock Ligas, for my child friends. To each every one of you, okay? Bye bye. Bye.